Nothing to do tonight. Suck. Yep. Ouch. Hello?
Hi, Tanya.
Oh my god. Hey, Rebecca.
What's up?
What up with thee? Oh my god, nothing. I'm so bored.
Oh, me too.
I know, I want to make like some YouTube video. No, I can't because I'm so bored and I'm so lonely.
Well, you know who I've heard that's really funny?
Who's funny?
Hotties XO.
Hotties XO?
Yes.
Maybe so. They can't be as funny as us though.
Funny.
I made a funny.
You make me haha.
Oh, you make me haha
So,
too.
you want to hang out?
Sure.
I'll be there in 5 seconds.
5 seconds, but I wanted to tell you about the.
Hey, Tanya. What's up?
Super speed!
Super boobs.
I'm so bored. What'd you do? I don't know. I'm so bored. We had to see something so fun. So fun. So. Oh my god. So pumped. Oh my god.
Last night in my dreams, I was chasing butterflies.
Such a hermit. Word from your mother. Yeah, what? What? You want to go? Yeah. Word.
That was preposterous.
What?
This isn't a dance contest.
Yo, dog, this is so you can dance?
No, it's not. Now get off the stage if you're not gonna.
Can I talk to you for a minute?
Sure.
The back of your head is ridiculous.
Oh,
It's ridiculous.
okay. This isn't funny anymore.
You're welcome.
All right, you're done. Next.
You know what?
Next.
Alright, cool. Can I have it?
Where's Tanya? Tanya?
Rebecca!
What are you doing?
I'm in a basket!
Oh, okay.
No!
That's not even funny. That's disgusting.
Ew!
No. Oh my god. Ew. That's not even funny. That's disgusting. Such a hermit.
Bitch, open your mouth!
These are such bloopers.
Let me put it down. Ow. 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 And dizzy.
Why is it stopping?
Oh my god, it's irritating. You can't.
It's not stopping. I got no friends.
We started.
What the hell is just vibrating?
Indeed, Becca. I'm so bored. What can we do?
Rebecca, it's not fair.
You suck, Buford.
Wait.
I'm actually stuck.
Come here,
This is like the how he
Dora,
Piper, no swiping.
Ow.
I'm bored. I hate my life. I got no friends. Sucks. I hate my life. Yeah. I swear we have like ADD. I swear we have ADD. This is us trying to think for videos.
It's funny.
I feel my hair. I swear. I was chasing, but I was like more.
You don't sweat.
You just say I like to sweat.
I'm a whitehead. I'm Alabama.
Ew! Like what? Okay, I'm sitting in like urine or something. Oh well, whatever. Au natural, organic. No, I'm joking. I swear your mom's gonna be like, Rebecca, Tanya, go to bed. What time is it? 11:22.
Holy shit.
The last time I freaked out. Come on, you're supposed to finish the sentence. You got it bad. You got it bad. Oh, you suck. And that's okay. Cause
like
you will be
Charlie-
asking for me
like
one
Charlie-
day.
It's like Charlie and
Come
my
on,
finger.
Charlie.
But you're like you're like the guy, and then I'm like Charlie because it's like.
You got it bad. And that's okay. Cause you will be asking for me one day. Don't wanna wait.